let's look at QuickShots. The latest new one is the rotate one, and if I press on the rotate here, I've got it set for backwards. The rotation is going to be 180 degrees. It's 30 meters at 15 seconds. Now, this is for 15 seconds. The way you change the distance, and it's a little bit of a quirk in this, is that you press this. If you press on the meters per second, you can increase that meters per second to 2 or 3 or 4. Let's put it up to 4 or 5. Press that, okay, and you'll see as we've done that, flight meters, the actual distance has increased to 75 meters. If I now go back down to 2 meters, it's now, sorry, 3 meters, it's now 45. I'll go back down. So your distance, it's all to do with the timing and the speed of the drone, and that's how it alters it. Let's go back to 2, and then go accept that, and now we've got 2 meters a second, 15 seconds, flying backwards. So let's turn the drone round towards me. If I now set that a running, let's press start,
3, 2,
count down,
1.
and you can see it's going backwards for 15 seconds. 2 meters a second. You don't really want to go any faster than that, I don't think. It just gets a little, but it's doing that 180 rotation all the way into it, and then it's going to stop and it's going to come back. Well, it doesn't come back, so that's an interesting one, isn't it? Normally the drone on the QuickShots would come back to you, but on this particular one it doesn't. So if I now push the right stick forward, which I'm doing, I can fly it back to me. Okay, so that was the first QuickShot, the new QuickShot that's on the Mini 5 Pro, because this has the rotating camera we were talking about earlier. It rotates 225 degrees from -45 through to 180. That's 225. Okay, now let's look at the remaining 6 standard QuickShots that you get. Let's look at the next one. So press that over there. We've got the familiar Dronie, which if I press on there, I tap and draw a box around me, which has got me now. It's now got me. It's a distance of 30 meters. I can change that, but I'll leave it at 30. The Dronie will go back. We'll push it in a touch into me a little bit more. Push it up a touch. Scroll the wheel down so it's on me, and I'm going to press start for the Dronie.
3, 2, 1.
And there you've got a nice Dronie with a golf course in the background going out to 30 meters. And that's now finished. And then it returns. Whereas the rotation doesn't return, but this returns back to me in the Dronie. Okay, that was the Dronie. All right, let's look at the next one. We'll press the top button and we'll look at rocket. So we'll choose rocket. Draw a box around the subject, so it's got me. Altitude 30 meters, I can change that. Goes 40. Max minimum's 30. It'll go up to, I think, probably 80 meters. So it's got a 30 to 80 meters. We'll leave it at 30. And we're going to press start.
3,
It'll then
2,
come above me.
1.
There you go. And it's turning down. The camera's going to go straight up. 30 meters. Still climbing above us in the car. We've got to 30. Alright, so that's the next QuickShot. Let's have a look at, which is the circle. So I'm going to back the drone off a little bit now. We're going to walk into the middle of the field. I'll draw a box around myself and I can go either left or right. You'll see the arrows come up when I've chosen to go right, and I've chosen to go at the full speed, which is full on. And now you'll see that the drone is going round me at a circumference of where it started, so it's the same in the same distance. You set the distance away from yourself first and then it will go round you. Now we're going to do a helix. I've drawn a box around myself. I'm going to go to the left this time. The maximum radius for the helix is 10 meters, but you can make that larger if you wish. The range can be from 10 meters to 120 meters. I've set it for 10 meters. And it goes away and it starts to climb. So this is a circle going around me, but a climbing circle and a rising circle. Helix is 85, 89, 95, 100% complete now, and now it's returning back towards me. Back to the start point to complete the helix. Now let's take a look at the boomerang. So I'll draw a box around me, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And the boomerang starts close and gets further away, exactly like a boomerang, and then it comes back towards you down again. So it rises on part of the top of the boomerang and comes back down to finish the boomerang. And there's a completed boomerang. And that's Boomerang QuickShots. Now let's look at the final quick shot, the Asteroid, which is a really interesting shot. Down and away it goes. So what the Asteroid is a combination of two things. It's a Dronie, so it's pulling away from me up to 40 or 45 meters or whatever height I've set it to. And now what it's going to do, it's going to take a panorama of still images above me. So this is a full panorama. You can see it's taken 1, 2, 3, moving left 45 degrees, 1, 2, 3, moving left. Then it's taking those photographs, 1, 2, 3, 3, keep it going around. And now it's finished, and now it's processing, and it'll fly down back to me. So what we have is a Dronie, and then I think it's probably 26 photos at the top. I haven't counted them exactly, but it normally is 26 on a panorama. And it's taken those photographs and it's going to combine the video with the still images. So let's take a look at it in a short while. Here we go. So it's zooming back all the way, and now it's turning around, and that's the final unit. So it's a really good shot. Hope that's helpful. Happy flying. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded.